I'm just going to do this as a separate video because I realized the first one with me yapping was like 5 minutes long, and y'all just don't have the attention span to be paying attention that long, honk in the background for confirmation. So now I got my bowl with my diced chicken up in there. Buttermilk. I mean, if you got buttermilk, fantastic, but, you know, I showed y'all how to make buttermilk. Take a cup of regular milk, add a tablespoon of vinegar and or lemon juice. Bam, bam. Sea salt. I eyeball everything because my soul tells me when it's enough. I'm going to have the ratio breakdown for you guys in the captions. I'm using crushed pepper because the recipe says cayenne and I do not have cayenne pepper. So I'm improvising. See? Recipe. It's just a guideline. You don't have to follow it exactly. You're the creator. You're the one cooking it. You add your love, your soul, your signature, your frequency to it. Have fun. Have fun. I'm just here hoping I inspire someone out there to have fun in the kitchen. Of course, the hot sauce. I got Frank's here. I had to make infused wing sauce the other day for Sunday fun day for a client, so we're gonna use my love potion. Love potion 109. And then we're just mixing, and I prefer to let things 144 on that timer. I prefer to let things marinate overnight, but you know, this was the last. I just decided this morning this is what I wanted when I looked in the fridge and I saw chicken. And I'm like, what am I making with this fucking chicken? Well, all right, chicken nuggets it is. And I already did the McDonald's one. Let's challenge myself and try to dupe out this. So, Chick-fil-A dupe it is. Minimum for marinating, focus TJ. Minimum would be 30 minutes. The longer, the better. So, I'm going to go let this take its love bath. 222 on that timer. Start saying talk, talk, talk. I'm going to let this take its love bath. And in the next portion, we'll be dredging it, frying it, and you know, doing whatever. This is how I'm doing it because editing and all that stuff, that's not a vibe for me. Like, I'm a chef. I'm a chef. I don't want to be sitting at the camera and doing all that because half the battle is me doing that. That takes the joy and fun out of it. 252 on that timer. So I'm going to post things the way I feel like posting it because otherwise I'm never going to post it and I'm never going to do it because I got a phone, 303, hi dad. I got a phone full of content that never made it online. So maybe it's a cue for me to get busy, child. Ooh, that song just popped into my head. It's fun here, it's fun here, it's fun here, and I hope I'm entertaining y'all, and I hope I'm inspiring you to get into the kitchen and cook, and tap into your spiritual side, because we all have spirit guides with us. We all have a higher self. If you're awake and you're on my channel, you definitely have a higher self, so tap in to him or her.